To add a page background to your document, click on Design on the top toolbar, then to Page Color on your right hand side. You can click on a color to apply it to your full page. If you want a more specific color, go to Page Color and then navigate to More Colors. Click on this and it will bring up the custom color options. Here you can navigate to the custom color that you'd like to use. Once done, click OK. To add different effects like a gradient to the page background, navigate to Page Color and then Fill Effects, and here it gives you a number of different options to choose from. So you can choose to use a gradient of 1 or 2 colors. You can choose what direction you'd like the gradient to be. There's lots of different textures to choose from that are already in Word, or you can choose other textures and then navigate to a picture of your choice. Within the pattern option, there's lots of preloaded patterns that you can choose from. You can pick what foreground or background color you wish it to be. You can change the type of pattern, you can preview it. You can also use a picture for your background. If you navigate to the picture option, select a picture and then choose from one of your own picture files. Once you've chosen the type of background style you wish to use, press OK and it will apply it to all your pages. If you've used colour or an image that goes to the edges of your pages, you will need to add on bleed onto your document. Now this is an extra area so that when the pages are trimmed, there are no white edges. If you navigate to your page setup options and then to paper, you want to add on 5mm onto your width and 5mm onto the height of your document. That means that there are 2.5mm of bleed on each edge of the page. Once you've done this, make sure that you apply it to the whole document by using the Apply To button. Because we've added that extra space onto our height and width, we will need to account for this within our margins also. So again, we just need to add on 2.5mm onto our top, bottom, inside and outside margins. And then that way your margins will still be the same as they were previously. Once you are finished and happy with your margin settings, and make sure that you applied it to the whole document, press OK, and this will apply it to all your pages. As you can see, it's then applied that 2.5mm extra bleed area that we need and accounted for in your margins. And that is how you set up your document to have bleed with a page background.